beforehand, a lot of the dies all look like this, kind of dirty, rusty, and they all get ran on different machines, like so here. The boost tape all were cleaned and recolored to match each machine. Well, orange, red, so forth right there. The blue. Go to the blue dyes. Beforehand, they were all kind of discolored, rusty. Nobody could really figure out, nobody could figure out how to set the machines up. This gives them an easier way to be able to run what they need to run without guessing and swapping things in and out of different machines.